Hi everyone, in this video let's see how to create simple GUI applications using class paradigm. First we will import Tkinter and we are going to import the part of the library which we are going to use. From Tkinter import tk label. We are only going to use tk and label in this application, so it's better only to import these instead of importing the whole Tkinter library. Then we will create a class root. This is the subclass of tk class. We are going to import the behavior of tk class. Then we will add init method def init self. Then we will call super init and pass along any arguments. Init this object is the root window and it has no parents. Now we will add the title simple GUI, then minimum size as 600 400. Then we will create function to create widgets self. We are going to add widgets here. Self dot label is equal to label self text is equal to class application. We are going to give it the position self dot label dot grid column is equal to 0, row is equal to 0. Then add create widgets here. Self dot create widgets. Now root is equal to root dot main loop. Now let's run this code. Let's see how it works. So it is working. So here you can see simple GUI title and class application label. Here it is always recommended to import the classes only which we are going to use. We have used only these two classes, that's why we have imported only these two.